Hi, and welcome to Lizard Studios. I am Lisette, and today we're going to be making a line and color work of art, a drawing, okay? We are going to be looking at different lines that are straight. A straight line is a line like a ruler, very, very, very straight. But those straight lines could be horizontal, that go from one side to the other side. They could also be vertical, which go up and down, and there could be many up and down lines, okay? And those are vertical. And then there are also lines that are diagonal, like the rooftop, okay? And those lines, when you put them together, they create a zigzag line. And zigzag lines could go also horizontally, vertical. They could go diagonally also, and they're really, really exciting to use because you could even use them to make teeth on a crocodile, okay? Now, there are also many other lines that we also use, like wavy lines, and wavy lines are awesome to use when you're drawing the ocean. And there's also another line that I love to draw, and it's called a dotted line. And a dotted line, it's when you put a bunch of little points, dots, all over the place, and then you could follow its path, and it's really, really exciting and really nice, okay? So today we're going to be doing a drawing with those lines and also with these colors, with yellow, blue, and red, okay? And those are the primary colors. All colors are created from the three first primary colors, which are these: red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so let's begin. For today's project, you need very few things. You need a red oil pastel, a yellow oil pastel, and also a blue oil pastel. Okay, and you need pretty much one piece of white paper. All right, so now we are going to practice and we are going to begin. All right, so let's do it. We are going to do an artwork such as this one that I have it back on me right now, okay? And you could use the lines going anywhere you want. They could go horizontal, vertical, diagonal. They could be zigzags. They could be curved lines. Well, we're gonna see that, okay? We're gonna use wavy lines. So we're gonna see that in a second, all right? So let's use our blue oil pastel, okay? And I am going to begin with a horizontal wavy line. Why not? Then I'm gonna stop right here, and then I'm gonna make a zigzag vertical line, and now I'm going to make two diagonal lines going this way, and now I'm going to make a dotted line that is going to go this way. Dotted. I'm going to use my dots to go this way. I am going to cross these two straight diagonal lines with my dotted diagonal line, okay? Well, now that I'm done doing this, what I'm going to do is use the yellow oil pastel. You could also use crayons for this, but I like oil pastels better for this particular project, okay? So I'm gonna make two horizontal lines, and then I'm gonna make one wavy vertical line, and now I'm going to make a dotted yellow horizontal line also, and I'm going to make a zigzag line this way. Horizontal zigzag line. I am going to make sure that I don't touch crayon with crayon, okay? Because I don't want to mix them yet, okay? There's a surprise in the next lesson. So, and now I'm going to use my red line. My red crayon, okay? So I'm going to make, I think I'm going to make two lines. Two vertical red lines. I am going to make a dotted vertical line here. Another dotted line right here, why not? With red. You see, I am not touching, trying not to touch crayon with crayon, okay? And now I am going to go this way in this space and make another line here. And maybe up here at the top, I'm gonna make a zigzag horizontal line. Okay, and now I am going to stop, okay? And I want to show you another 2 examples that I made previously too, so you could see different ways of doing it. So this is another one that I made before, just to show you that everyone's drawings are different and they're all perfect, because we are trying to practice using these lines horizontally, vertical, diagonal, making wavy lines, zigzag lines, and dotted lines. You know what? I have a song. I'm gonna sing you my song, okay? And it's a really cool song that goes like this. It goes: zigzag line, wavy line, horizontal, vertical, diagonal. And that's the way that I teach my students how to remember these lines, okay? So this is today's project. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and practice, make it really, really, really nice. And I've got a surprise for you in the next time that we see each other, okay? Well, have a good day, have fun, bye-bye.